Gerardo, tell me what's going on with your knee.
Just had meniscus
Repair?
I'm here for my first physical therapy. Hopefully everything goes well.
When did you have the surgery?
On the 3rd of the first year.
It's about a week.
Days.
Tell me, currently, what is difficult for you to do?
Just bending my knee.
You feel it's tight when you bend it?
Yes.
At worst, tightness is 0 to 10. 10 is emergency room. How much tightness?
About 7.
When you bend your knee. What else is difficult for you to do?
That's it.
That's it. When you walk for a long time or sit to stand, you feel a bit of stiffness.
A little bit of stiffness on the front area of the knee.
You mentioned it's hard for you to put your socks on.
Yes. One sock anyway.
One sock. Okay. Let's do this. I want you in front of the camera. Try to take your socks off on this side so we can see what's difficult for you to do so we can use it as evaluation. So bended is like uncomfortable. Yeah. Okay. So you're not able to bend it, so that's why you compensate this way.
Exactly.
That's where you feel the tightness. Okay.
A couple of days ago, I wasn't able to do that.
So it's a little bit better. Anything else? Any issue with that? What? Let's take the other shoes off because I want to see how you walk too. Okay. So what I have you walk back and forth. I want to see how you walk. And turn around and go back. That's not too bad. All right. I got to take your range of motion and see how you feel after that. We're going to take the range of motion for your knee. Let's push your knee down. Yeah. Push your knee down to the table.
Stretch it that way?
Knee toward the table. Down.
That way. I see what you're saying. I'm doing it.
There you go. You are pushing down, yeah? So as you see, it's actually minus 10, 20. It's almost 24 degrees. Bend your knee. Foot flat.
Yes, it's good to get that thing.
And as you see here, can you see? It's 100 degrees. 100 degrees. You can go a little bit back and forward, get a good shot of this. Okay. It's about 100-degree flexion, and you're missing 24 degrees extension. Okay? All right? So let's straight your knee. Okay, we're going to work on it and look at your range of motion. This is your first treatment after surgery, yeah?
Yes.
So as I mentioned to you, the treatment should not aggravate your symptoms. And when you bend your knee, you feel the tightness in the back or front.
Back.
Can you describe the feeling?
Discomfort, tightness, but not pain.
You feel it here?
Yes.
Okay, let's lie on your side. Right. So you feel it right here in the
Yeah, right there.
Okay. And here. Is that painful what I'm doing?
No.
Oh, you feel all...
I think it feels good.
That's good. Let me work on this and make sure it's not painful. Okay. So most right in here.
there.
It's not here. Okay, so right in here. Okay. I know if it's too much, okay? You can get the bigger shot. That's fine. Okay, and I will show you the scar tissue in a bit. I'm doing deep washer release with this instrument. Okay. Is it too much?
No.
You feel the tightness there?
Yes.
We're gonna test it with putting your socks on again after the treatment to see how that goes, okay? And your IT ring is very tight. Feel that tightness here?
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Let me know if it's too much. How does it feel now? Can you tell the difference?
I can.
Yeah, can you feel it's looser now?
Yes.
It's pliable, movable. Okay. I'm gonna work on the scar tissue, make sure it's not painful. Show you the scar tissue. Relax. You feel this bump here?
Yeah.
That's scar tissue. Do you feel this bump? It's right in here. It's not too bad. You feel it's not moving smoothly here, the instrument? And you're jumping.
I can feel it.
Yep, as you can see in the camera, look now how nice and smooth here.
Yeah.
Compared to this, you feel that? The scar tissue is here. It's not allowing to move smoothly. So he has a lot of scar tissue there that restricts his range of motion. So what I'm doing is breaking that scar tissue. Make sure it's not painful. Feel that scar tissue here. Working on breaking that scar tissue here. With the treatment, you will notice it's gonna shrink the thickness and the size of the scar tissue. And when that decreases, so when we have a scar tissue, the muscle should act. Normally, the muscle should act like a rubber band. When contract and relax, it does this. When we have a scar tissue, it's like you have a knot in the band. So when the muscle contract, it does not stretch much and could decrease the range of motion. Shoot everything. Okay, so I'm gonna get the towel and clean this out. And we're gonna try to see how you feel. Okay. Alright, so let's actually line your back. And I want to do with the front is actually to look at this. Okay, when you relax, you can relax. You feel that here? That's scar tissue too. It's very obvious here. You see that?
Yes.
So it's not too bad. But here,
It's worse.
Compared to this, that's smoothly here compared to this. See, jumping. That's scar tissue. And if we don't have a good ergonomic instrument to evaluate or treat that, it's hard to break it with hand. Can you tell the difference now?
Yes.
It's almost gone.
I like
See
it.
that? Yeah, it's almost good. Nice and smooth. That's good. Yeah. It's a good example. Thank you for being our star. All right. Let me take your range of motion again. I want you to bend your knee. There we go. That's good.
Pop something.
Okay. It's very obvious. 115. How much before?
I forget.
It was 100?
Yeah.
100.
Yeah.
Yeah, 115. Let's get you more, okay? Relax.
Right there where you touch, that's where I felt something pop.
Pop where? In the joint? Just down.
No, I think it was that what it was.
Simply work on this. Do the extension again. So, relax. Is it too much? I'm doing deep release now. You were minus 24 when we did the extension, so I will check that. How much is it now? Okay. All right. You feel this built-in?
Yes.
Okay. Always the right answer, yes. Okay, how does it feel now?
That feels good.
We do one more thing. Get your shirt. So all of these ASTR instruments can work in different soft tissue dysfunctions. Instead of using my hands, which actually hard to do this release with the hand. That's why I created those instruments. Okay. All right, let's pick this. Push your knee down. See.
You want to go more, or what I can do?
What you can do, go back and forth and just relax. Let's try it again. Bend. There you go. 120.
Awesome.
Let's have you sit on the chair, because we did the other test with putting the socks on. This chair? Yeah. Get front shot. Get the legs. You can go this way. All right.
Ready.
I am ready. So now put your socks on and tell me how that feel. Are you bending?
Yes.
Yeah.
Before, I wouldn't be able to do it like this. I would have to move sideways.
Move sideways. Okay. After working on it. So what do you think about ASTR treatment? Yeah. Feel better?
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.